Hi guys, Akash here. Hope you all are doing great and safe. And today I am going to show you how to make chicken malai tikka at home. As you all can guess from name, chicken malai tikka gonna be cheesy, creamy in texture. So we're gonna char grill first and then we're gonna cook in a preheated oven. Okay, so let me show you what are the ingredients we need for making our chicken malai tikka. So we need mustard oil, mixed cheese, ginger garlic paste, sour cream, yogurt, crushed cardamom, chicken thigh fillets, and for our salad we need some fresh sprouts, carrot, red onion, lime. So let's start this journey together for chicken malai tikka. First of all, we're gonna cut these chicken thigh fillets into a medium size. So let's do it. We'll try to take the fat out as much as we can. And then we'll give a medium size. Trimming the fat is very important, or else it's gonna make our kebab greasy, and definitely you're not gonna like the greasy kebabs, right? So better to trim it. Now we'll marinate our chicken. So first we'll add salt, cracked black pepper, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil to give a nice smoky flavor, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, little bit of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder, little bit of cardamom powder, and then give a good mix. Always be gentle while adding salt, because later on we're going to add cheese, and cheese also contains salt, so it's very important to balance the salt between cheese and the first marination. Our marination is done. Now we'll clean wrap this and keep in a refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes, and in the meantime we'll get ready with the marinade. For marinade, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hung yogurt, or we'll try to find a tight yogurt, or the best you can try a Greek yogurt. It's pretty much thick, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of cream, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, some mixed cheese shredded. We'll give a quick mix. We'll chop some fresh chilies. It depends how much spicy you want. If you don't want much spicy, you can use 1. It's gonna go in a marinade straight away. Our chicken is ready by now. It's been 15 minutes. We'll unwrap this. Now we'll add the marinade straight up in the chicken. Now we'll give a quick mix. Our mixing part is done here. Now we'll check our seasoning real quick. Seems like we need some more salt. I'm gonna add some more salt here. We'll add a little bit of cracked black pepper. If you want, you can add white pepper as well, but I prefer black pepper. Again, we'll give a final mix. Now we'll start putting this in a skewer, and then we'll char grill it. So start putting the chicken in a skewer. Best way to put chicken thigh fillets in a skewer is like try to take some marinade, hold your fingers like this and try to take the skewers from the middle, yeah, and then at last, so it's nice and tight. One more. With the same pattern, we'll finish all the chicken and we'll put it in a skewer. So our griller is ready. We'll add some oil. Our griller is hot. I will keep our chicken. We'll try to seal all the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes and then we'll turn this. So once you got a color like this, we'll take it out and keep it in a baking tray, and make sure you put a butter paper and apply some butter beforehand. Now we'll cook our chicken in oven for 20 minutes. While our chicken is cooking in oven, we're gonna prep for a salad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice all our fresh vegetables and then we're gonna soak it in a nice ice water. So what's gonna happen is when you're gonna keep your cut salad in ice water, it's gonna be nice, fresh and crisp and crunch. So we're gonna add some ice cubes and some water first. Get some ice. Oh, look at this beautiful ice. Star. And then water. So first of all, we're gonna keep our sprouts in ice water. And then we'll slice one medium red onion. We'll soak this in the ice water. Now we'll do a fine julienne. Gonna go straight in ice water. Our chicken is already done and I already strained our salad. Now we'll keep in a mixing bowl. We'll add some salt, just a little. Very little smoked paprika. If you don't have, no worries, you can keep it simple. Half of lime juice and some olive oil. And a quick mix. Our chicken is ready. Look at this, we got a very nice color. It's perfectly cooked, nice and juicy. Now we're gonna plate it. Many people add malai, which means a cheese and cream mixture. It's kind of a cheese sauce, but we already added cream, cheese, yogurt, and I think it's perfectly cooked. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese grate on the top, and that's gonna be perfectly balanced and all right. So just a little of Parmesan cheese. Little bit of lime zest. It's gonna be a very wonderful combination. Now I'm gonna add salad on the top. Guys, our chicken malai tikka looks unbelievable. The lemon zest, the Parmesan cheese, salad, well balanced. I'm getting a very positive vibes about this and I can't wait to eat it. Awesome. Amazing. Guys, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment, and also do check my other recipes too. That's too amazing as well. And do cook this food at home and let me know how it came out, and you can share the photo, your story behind the cooking.